I have got this Feiyu Tech SPG 3A6 gimbal for cell phone more than a year and use quite a lot in my trips. It's designed for cell phone and it said support any GoPro-like sport cameras. The specification said its capability is able to handle up to 230 grams. This is the footage using Huawei P10 cell phone on the SPG. You can also mount the GoPro-like sport camera on that. The size of the clamp is too large, but it comes with two foam accessory that can adjust the size of this one. So it's pretty handy to hold it. However, the GoPro-like camera is not as flat as a cell phone, so it doesn't work very well when you try to balance the front and back. So you can see here, it's too heavy on one side and the stabilizer is not really working if directly mounted like this. As you can see here, when I turn it on, it just try to balance, but the motor is not strong enough to hold it. The camera with battery weighs 70 grams. While looking at all my accessories, it looks like the Manfrotto RC2 quick release plate is the perfect candidate to balance this sport camera. So I designed this 3D model and printed out with my 3D printers. Use a 1/4 inch NC20 tape jewel bit to make the thread in the hole. So until this one is freely rotate. Now I can screw in this Manfrotto quick plate, use as a weight. Good. With this 3D print accessory, I can screw a balance at the back. As you can see, now the front and back balance is extremely well. And now it works well.